Gore was chairman.
Absolutely correct, my lord. But that's why I said they're principally issued on the 13th. They're some of the 12th also.
Principally, it should have been attached with the nomination paper, which is the last date is 24th December.
जी.
वो principally तो वो होना है.
My lord, वो मैंने submit किया था. I've already said कि वो section before applying for symbol, that's the cutoff date for that. I've made submissions on that for my lord.
अगर आप थोड़ा सा इस तरह बता दें क्योंकि अपनी बंच ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट दिए जिसमें तमाम लोगों के जो कैंडिडेट्स थे उनके नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स हैं. नॉमिनेशन पेपर में लिखा है कि सर्टिफिकेट अटैच्ड और बहुत सारे के साथ सर्टिफिकेट उसी दिन अटैच जो कि लास्ट डेट ऑफ सबमिशन ऑफ नॉमिनेशन पेपर दैट वाज 24th of December. By that date the judgment was not in field क्योंकि जजमेंट तेरा एक को
Lord, but the ECP order, I'm sorry to interrupt, my lord. My lord, these are the 3 dates which may be noted. The ECP order is dated 22nd of December, 2024. 23, I beg your pardon. We haven't reached that yet. Sorry, my lady. So, my lord, the ECP order comes first, which holds that there is non-compliance with section 208 and 209. That came on 22nd of December. Then, my lord, there is the Peshawar High Court judgment, which comes on 10/1/2024.
No, but then there is another important date, which is 26th of December, when that judgment got suspended.
ठीक है जी.
So we'll have to see during that period when the certificate was issued. Correct?
Absolutely. I'm with my lords. I concede this, and so my submission is that majority of them, my lord, जो हैं वो 13 के हैं, and 22nd को तो order जिस दिन आया है उस दिन तो forms 66 उस date के थे. But my lord has noted my submission. I'll move on. Grateful.
लेकिन आप ये भी हमें बताएंगे कि जो तरीक़ेकार है, आया गलती कहाँ से किसने की है, ये असल चीज आपने बताना है कि ये जो नॉमिनेशन पेपर बहुत से जो मैं देख रहा था उसमें उनमें तो डिक्लेरेशन
ब्लैंक्स भी हैं सर. और अब सर देखिए जब ब्लैंक होता है तो मेरा सिंपल सा उस पे सबमिशन है दैट द ब्लैंक वन इज अ क्लियर कट इंडिकेशन दैट he is an independent then, unless before the date of
indication पे ना जाए. लॉ कहता है कि when certificate is attached he is party candidate, otherwise independent.
और सर वो अगर my lord ने पूछा मेरे से कि अगर वो blank है तो क्या होगा,
so I certificate नहीं होगा तो independent होगा.
Exactly. So that was my answer जी. My lord and I are on the same page sir.
ये पेज आप जरा फाड़ दें, हम एक पेज पे नहीं होना चाहते.
Okay man. My lord, I'm getting prompts that मैंने अब्दुल्ला को कहा है कि मुझे prompts करो every 5 minutes कि मैं 30 मिनट से पहले मैं खत्म कर दूंगा. 5 मिनट मेरे गुजर गए हैं. I'll move to the second one. My lord, second submission is, so this was for party certificates. Second submission.
Your first submission, if I just want what I've taken away from it, you saying that the certificates themselves were defective because
they're void.
There was no chairman because of the decision of 22nd.
That's right, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, and they're void. They're void because they have no sanctity in law. They're not backed by any validly authorized person.
Okay.
Second submission, my lord, is, and for this I can refer to the Hamid Raza book, as it were, जो मैंने आपको दी थी. उसमें एक टिकट भी लगा हुआ है, which is of the 13th. Here, my lord, my submission is that as far as Mr. Hamid Raza is concerned, the chairman, here, my lord, my submission, the chairman, I need not refer to it right now.
No, is it good? Glad that you come to this because I was about to ask you कि exactly इनका भी जरा से एक दफा factually बता देते कि what were the documents he had filed.
ठीक है जी. तो पहले my lord my submission अपना दे दूँगा.
जी दे.
My lord, my submission here is that Mr. Hamid Raza is admittedly is and was the chairman of the appellate number 1. He is appellate number 2 in civil appeals. The appellate number 2, my lord, being chairman, was fully able and had this option available to have issued a party affiliation certificate to himself, and upon issuing this to have contested election as a candidate of SIC. Had this been done, And had he been returned, as he has been as an independent, then, my lord, the requirements that I have humbly submitted before this honorable august bench, in terms of formulation 1, that there needs to be a
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुन्नी इत्तेहाद कौंसिल की मखसूस नशिस्तों के केस की समाअत इस वक्त जारी है। इलेक्शन कमीशन के वकील सिकंदर बशीर के दलाइल इस वक्त जारी हैं।
तो इसी में अगर while you're at it, sorry, I don't want to dislodge your way of thinking, but just if you could refer to the documents once again, just a recap.
I'll take my.
What was his nomination? What was the certificate?
बिल्कुल, मैं पहले सर अपना वो लिखवा दूं। Most grateful. So my lord, here basically what I am saying is that Mr. Hamid Raza would have issued the ticket to himself, being chairman, and if he had contested as SIC and was returned, then the requirement of, in my formulation 1, of SIC having at least one directly elected general seat member would have been met. But this was, for reasons best known to him, not done. My lord, third formulation is that, sorry sir.
I mean, sorry to dislodge you.
No, sir.
We just want, because
I'm just going to write
recap के इसके documents दो क्या थे?
Sir, absolutely.
There are two things to a nomination.
मेरे ज़हन में एक चीज़ आई है which I missed, so I'm just noting it down. Just look at it. My lord, आ जाते हैं. So my lord, first of all, I'm going to Mr. Hamid Raza's paper book. Mr. Hamid Raza files nomination papers on 22/12/23.
Right.
In his declaration on oath of nominated person candidate in the nomination form states, Mera Taluk Sunni Ittehad Council, Alliance PTA in bracket se hai.
This is tab?
This is tab B, my lord.
B. ठीक हो.
This is on the 22nd of December, sir. Then his nomination papers are accepted, which is tab C. And then, my lord, on the 13th of January, the party affiliation certificate of PTI is submitted by the gentleman.
That's the only certificate submitted.
That is, but there is a contradiction then in tab E, because both these documents, my lord, इसमें सामने डेट नहीं आ रही, but I think ऊपर से हम देख सकते हैं कि ये भी 13/1 का है stamp paper. So his party affiliation, these two things go in hand according to my submission. So my lord, his party affiliation certificate is of the 13th of January, but his section 66 declaration, which is on the next page.
जिसका टैब सी देखें आप, इसमें तो एक्सेप्ट हो गए. रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर ने 30 दिसंबर 23 को इनके जो नॉमिनेशन पेपर हैं साहबजादा साहब के, ये एक्सेप्ट कर लिए.
बिल्कुल कर लिए सर, बिल्कुल. Yes,
12 को.
Yes, my lord. जी.